What specific problem does the LEGOGPT method aim to solve in the context of generating LEGO designs from text prompts? Describe the challenges faced by previous approaches and how your method addresses these.
The LEGOGPT method aims to solve the problem of generating physically stable and buildable LEGO designs directly from freeform text prompts. Previous approaches primarily focused on generating diverse 3D objects, but often failed to ensure that these designs could be physically realized, facing challenges such as difficulty in assembly and structural instability. Many existing methods either generated designs based on a given 3D object, or relied on optimization techniques that did not account for the unique physical constraints of LEGO bricks. In contrast, LEGOGPT employs an autoregressive model that incorporates physics-aware assembly constraints during both training and inference, ensuring that the generated designs are stable and compatible with standard LEGO pieces. By utilizing a large-scale dataset of stable LEGO designs and implementing techniques like brick-by-brick rejection, sampling, and physics-aware rollback, LEGOGPT effectively addresses the challenges of stability and buildability in LEGO design generation.
How does the proposed LEGOGPT algorithm work? Illustrate step by step, detailing the methodology from training to inference, including the role of physics-aware constraints and rejection sampling.
The LEGOGPT algorithm operates in a structured manner, beginning with the training phase where a pre-trained large language model, LLM, is fine-tuned on a custom dataset, stable text to LEGO, which contains over 47,000 LEGO structures paired with text descriptions. This dataset is crucial as it provides the model with examples of physically stable and buildable LEGO designs. During inference, the model generates LEGO designs in an autoregressive manner, predicting one brick at a time based on the input text prompt. To ensure the generated designs are physically stable, LEGOGPT incorporates physics-aware constraints, which involve a stability analysis that assesses the forces acting on each brick to maintain structural integrity. Additionally, the algorithm employs brick-by-brick rejection sampling, where each generated brick is checked for validity against predefined heuristics, e.g., ensuring no collisions with existing bricks, and if a brick fails these checks, it is resampled. This combination of physics-aware rollback and rejection sampling allows LEGOGPT to produce high-quality, stable LEGO designs that adhere closely to the input prompts while maintaining buildability.
Can you provide a simple yet illustrative example of the inner workings of the LEGOGPT algorithm? Walk through the generation of a specific LEGO structure from a given text prompt, explaining the key algorithm steps involved.
To illustrate the inner workings of the LEGOGPT algorithm, let's consider the text prompt, "Create a LEGO model of a small house." The process begins with the fine-tuned LLAMA3 2-to-1B instruct model, which generates the first brick based on the prompt. The algorithm employs brick-by-brick rejection sampling to ensure that the generated brick is well formatted and does not collide with existing bricks. After generating each brick, the algorithm checks for physical stability using a stability score, which quantifies the internal stress at each brick's connections. If any brick is found to be unstable, the algorithm performs a physics-aware rollback to revert to the last stable state and continues generating from there. This iterative process continues until a complete, stable LEGO structure that adheres to the prompt is formed, demonstrating the model's ability to create physically realizable designs while maintaining structural integrity.
What are the theoretical and practical benefits of using LEGOGPT compared to existing methods for generating 3D designs? Discuss improvements in efficiency, accuracy, and the significance of ensuring physical stability and buildability.
LEGOGPT offers significant theoretical and practical benefits over existing methods for generating 3D designs, particularly in the context of LEGO structures. Theoretically, it introduces a novel autoregressive approach that leverages large language models, LLMs, for next brick prediction, allowing for a more intuitive and flexible generation process directly from text prompts, unlike previous methods that often relied on mesh generation or optimization from existing shapes. Practically, LEGOGPT enhances efficiency by employing brick-by-brick rejection sampling and physics-aware rollback, which streamline the generation process while ensuring that the designs remain physically stable and buildable. This results in a higher proportion of valid and stable LEGO designs, as demonstrated by the median time of 48 seconds to generate a design with only a median of 2 rollbacks required. Furthermore, the emphasis on physical stability and buildability is crucial, as it ensures that the generated structures can be assembled by humans or robots without collapsing, addressing a significant limitation in prior approaches that often produced designs lacking practical feasibility. Overall, LEGOGPT not only improves the accuracy of generated designs, but also enhances their usability in real-world applications.
How is the performance of LEGOGPT validated or tested? Explain the experimental design, the datasets used, and the benchmarks or metrics employed to demonstrate the effectiveness of your method.
The performance of LEGOGPT is validated through a series of experiments using a custom dataset called Stable Text to LEGO, which contains over 47,000 distinct LEGO structures paired with text descriptions and stability scores. The experimental design involves generating LEGO designs for 250 randomly selected prompts from a validation dataset, where the generated structures are assessed for physical stability and buildability. Benchmarks include comparisons with baseline models such as LlamaMesh and Hunyuan 3D2, evaluating metrics like the proportion of stable and valid structures, mean and minimum brick stability scores, and prompt alignment using clip scores. Additionally, an ablation study demonstrates the importance of techniques like rejection sampling and physics-aware rollback in enhancing the quality of generated designs. The results indicate that LEGOGPT outperforms existing methods in generating high-quality, stable LEGO designs that closely follow the input prompts.
What specific results were achieved using LEGOGPT? Highlight improvements in stability scores, diversity of designs, and alignment with input prompts, and compare these with the performance of the baseline models.
Using LEGOGPT, we achieved significant improvements in generating LEGO designs, particularly in stability scores, diversity, and alignment with input prompts. Our method produced a higher proportion of valid and stable LEGO designs compared to baseline models, with the median stability score indicating that all generated structures maintained physical stability. The designs were not only diverse but also visually appealing, closely following the input prompts, as evidenced by the clip score metrics. In comparison to baseline models like LlamaMesh and Hunyuan 3D2, LEGOGPT outperformed them in generating stable structures, with a notable increase in the mean and minimum brick stability scores. Overall, our results demonstrate that LEGOGPT effectively bridges the gap in generating physically realizable LEGO designs from text prompts, surpassing previous methods in both quality and adherence to user specifications.